everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 6th to the 10th of June 2022 on Monday. Kwanda and Nonka are shocked by Hlezi peace confession. Njeza considers signing a deal with the devil in order to get what he wants on Tuesday. Sbu and Njeza find out it's time to pay back for their freedom while Sbonelo connects with his mother on Wednesday. Sbu and Njeza are out of prison but not free. Nosipho is determined to have a baby while Nonka is knee-deep in debt, struggling without Kwanda and his business on Thursday. Njeza and Sbu get a chance to pitch an idea to Nkunzi. Kwanda humble himself and gives such a much needed apology to the Kaba for hurting their daughter. Nosipho does the unthinkable to try and hatch on Friday. Nomaswazi is forced to reach a compromise with Njeza and Sbu. Nonka has an unexpected offer for Kwanda and Nosipho is unsettled when Mondli pays her a visit. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.